Okay, so in this problem, we were asked to fill in these values here. Right, so where did these in green, these are the ones we had to fill in. And what we're given are these. All right, so first of all, let's figure out the degrees of freedom. So this is the degrees of freedom for our group, that is the treatment. This is the degrees of freedom for the error. So how did we get 12? Well, the formula for the degrees of freedom for the error is capital N minus K. Capital N is the sum of the small n. So if I add these up, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, capital N is 17. K is the number of groups. We have 5 groups, and 17 minus 5 is 12. So that's how we got 12. Add these two together, that's how we get 16. So we plug that in here. This is given. So what is the MSE? So the MSE is, we're given that. The MSE is 299.7. So I plug that in here. The SSE we don't know. Keep in mind the green ones, that's what we're filling in. But that's divided by the degrees of freedom for the error. DFE, that's 12. Now if we multiply both sides of this equation here by 12, we get SSE equals 299.7 times 12. Get out your calculator and multiply that, you get 3596.4. So that's where that number comes from. Add these two numbers to get this number, 4196.6. And last, what is the second to last? What is the MSG? Well, the formula for the MSG is SSG over DFG. So the MSG is the SSG. The SS for the groups is 600.2. The degrees of freedom for the group, this number is 4. Get out your calculator and divide, we get 150.1. And last, what is the value that gets put in for our F statistic? Well, the formula for F is MSG over MSE. MSG is 150.1. MSE is 299.7. Get out your calculator, divide that, you get 0.50. So F is 0.50. So that's the idea of figuring out how to enter the values in the shaded areas or the blank boxes using these MSE, MSG, DFE, and using all those formulas.